right, we are back, and we are coming in here to a pivotal point here. It's broken outside of this trend line, outside the descending triangle, and it looks like it would be great if it broke through this 50 EMA with just a bullish momentum candle. I would definitely take an entry in there, and then take another entry in hopefully during the pullback. So just waiting here for the next 5 minutes for this candle to close and see where we're at, and then we will probably take an entry if this turns out to be a bullish candle that's out of here. So right now, not too bad, but be very interested to see what happens when it closes, and then another entry in the if there is a retracement. All right, we're back, and so here, this is actually a voiceover. From here, we're seeing that we got a retracement. We're in. Everything's looking pretty good so far. We got the push away from that area as well. Push away from the 50 EMA, and everything looks good so far. We're having a little bit of a retracement right here, but we're not really thinking too much of it. It's just maybe a natural pullback at that area. Right, we're back, guys. So this trade did not work out last night. Check it out. I was trading for a continuation. It did break out, and then it had that bullish candle to the upside, and then it just basically failed after that. So I'm not sure what's going on. I mean, maybe this is just a reversal here. Completed a kind of head and shoulders for sure. So that could definitely be why. So you see this bullish or bearish candle, super bearish candle right here. And then it's back to retest this area right in here, and then failed, and then continuation. So we're now in a downtrend, and trading in a downtrend. So a bit more of a loss. I mean, I think I probably put too much not volume, but too much size on this trade for what it was. But it's been pretty bullish this entire time. So I mean, bullish kind of reversal out of this area with a double bottom. I mean, crazy me. I thought it would just continue, but maybe it will. But I mean, just not yet. So just gonna look around. It's take a look at the accounts. The account's doing pretty bad. That doesn't show it. Yep. This is added to my balance. $61. A $37 loss, and a $31 loss, and a $33 loss. So like a $64 loss on that trade. So not the best, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna look for another trade. All right, and so I went ahead and took another trade after that retest. I pulled back into the zone, rejected it off the trend line, and made a bullish candle. So I went ahead and took the trade. Looks like it's working up, doing pretty well. And here I'm measuring the trade. I'm like, all right, it should be good to that 700 level, 750 level. So let's see what happens. All right, so it's doing pretty well here. We're definitely in profit. Everything's looking good. Now we get into this channel. This is, I'm at work. It's about to be noon, and I'm like, hey, you know what? I don't want to lose on this trade as well, especially just after losing the previous trade. So I was like, all right, if it doesn't make it till past this till noon, then I'm closing out. It didn't make it till noon, so I said, you know what? I'm just gonna take my profits and run. And yep, made a $65 profit.